Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system.
Our tip for today is about converting multiple image files to one PDF file. If there's a need for a digital copy of an actual document, we usually use our smartphones to take pictures out of it. Thus, the file format is automatically set as an image file such as JPEG. This video, however, will help you convert multiple image files to just one PDF document. First, put all of the image files in one location. Right-click on one of the file and select Properties. Under General tab, click Change, and then select Photos as the default app. Click OK to save and close the dialog box. Next, highlight all of the files and then right-click. Select Print. Set your preference such as the paper size, quality, fit picture frame, among others. Most importantly, set the printer to Microsoft Print to PDF. Click Print and save the file to your preferred destination. It may seem like it's trying to print, but it's actually converting your multiple image files to a single PDF document. There you have it. Simple but very reliable.
That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.